Hello there, my good friends of YouTube. I've just nipped out to the scrapyard and picked some few bits and pieces up. First off, I'll start off with this strange controller board, which was with these other pieces. Now, strangely enough, all these pieces, these four boards, are identical, and they went onto the bottom of this, one there, one there, one there, and so on, and they fitted onto another board which I've stripped down, which had, let me just quickly show you these, which are all identical. Okay, so you can read any markings on anything. Just pause the video. Okay, so all four of those are all the same. Bloody phone. So, going back to this board, I'll tell you about the other board in a minute that I've stripped the bits off. This here had, where's that piece? What have I done with that bloody piece? We just had a black cover over here to cover the fan, to enable this unit here to cool down, which is an 8-prong, just there. I'm not quite sure what that is until I take it off. But this is a strange controller board anyway. I just found this in a plastic white box, which I just took out with 4 screws. But anyway, what's it say here? Flash 2C. Don't know what that is. But anyway, the board that I took off had these 4 of these on. These big, beautiful caps. Electrolytic caps, which are 600 volts DC at 1000 microfarads, at plus or minus 20% loss or gain. Okay, UK made, very good condition, as you can see. Just the terminals, turn the light off, that's better. Just the terminals are a little bit corroded because it's been outside. Excuse me, I got a message. So these 4 caps were on it, and these thrusters, 4 of these thrusters, and that's all that was on the board. I haven't got a clue what this board was for, unless there was anything else that was on the board. I'm not quite sure. Was for the unit, which I didn't find. IR 0005 India 5 stupid phone 50RIA 120. So that's what the 4 thrusters are, because they're all the same. So that's what that unit was. I haven't got a clue what it's for. But each one of these capacitors is in mint condition, just a little bit dusty. No dents, markings or anything, marks on or out. So that was a good, only cost me a couple of quid for them. Now the next thing I'm going to show you is wicked. Look at these bad boys. Okay, coils of wire, primary and secondary, and inside is a ferrite core. Now that ferrite core goes all the way through to the other end. Now this ferrite core is the same diameter as the one that Maxi 2007 sent me. Look at that. Virtually the same size. So what I'm going to have to do, this stuff is, it's only you can actually mark it, look, so it'll be easy enough to get the ferrite out. All I have to do is get my Dremel down it, take this wire off first, get my Dremel down it, and take that ferrite core out. But I'm not quite sure what these were for, but unless it's used for some sort of radio equipment or something, I'm not sure. But yeah, that ferrite core is certainly wicked, and it all cost me £6 for the lot. £6 for the lot. Awesome. Oh, and I picked myself two ferrites up as well. Two flybacks. How can I get that wrong? A nice beefy flyback just there. And another flyback with a ferrite missing, but I've got spare ones, and I could put a new output on there because it just clips off. So that one can be saved. And there's nothing really damaged on it. So, and I picked myself up an old inverter microwave oven controller and transformer that's inside of it. The huge transformer there. But see, the good thing about this is that these transistors just there are fast switching, so they'll come in handy, and the rest of that will come in handy. So yeah, that was my trip to the tip. Scrapyard. Didn't really find very much other stuff. Oh yeah, there was these standoffs as well. That was on that circuit, which I've kept because they'll come in handy. 5 of them are the same size, and one of them's a bit shorter. But yeah, I don't think I found anything else that I can remember. So yeah, there you go, my good friends. Anyway, I'm not going to bore you anymore. I hope you're all well and looking after yourselves and being safe. If you're new to my video, please subscribe, rate, comment, give it a good old thumbs up, as Maxi2007 always says. Always does, should I say. Anyway, take care, guys.